Welcome back to another video. Hello all, how are you all? How is your daddy and mummy? Let's begin with our learning. Look, today we are going to learn chapter 6. आज हम क्या करेंगे? Chapter 6 पढ़ेंगे. Chapter 6 worksheet page number 41 or 42. So get ready with worksheet 41 and 42. Dear children, did you revise the other letters the previous days? O, N and Nya. Are you ready with that chapter? You had your test also? Well done. Keep learning. Don't keep anything pending for tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Okay? So, whatever you have to do today, do it today itself. Obey your parents and listen to the video. Okay? Listen to the instructions given here and continue learning. Okay? Chalo, let's begin with the chapter. Did you see what is given in this chapter? Yes, today we are going to learn 3 new letters. Actually, in fact, only 2. This letter you have already studied in class 1, right? You know what this letter is? What is that letter? Yes, dh. What is it? Dh. Remember, dham dham. I had showed the action in the class, beating of the drum, dham dham. I gave you the example of dholak. Okay, you have heard the name of Dholakpur in Chota Bheem, right? Same dhaba, the roadside food stall, dhaba, dhakna. Remember, same dha. What is it? Dha. Today we have to learn shra, dha and aw. What is this letter? What is this letter? Let's say sra. When you look at this letter, what do you see? Okay, this is sra. What is it? Sra. It doesn't have only one sound. When we say dha, there is only one sound coming. Whereas when you say sra, you get to hear 2 sounds together. What are those 2 sounds? Sra. Tell me, what are those 2 sounds? Yes, as I told you before, it is a combination of 2 letters. This is a compound letter. What is it? Compound letter. In Hindi you say Sanyuktakshar. Okay, combination of 2 letters sa and ra. Sra. क्या है ये? Sra. Okay. Next क्या है? Next है dha. बोलो dha. और last है aw. Okay. How do you say aw? Open your mouth and say aw. Okay. We don't say. See, like I said in the previous video when I taught you a, I taught you a as well as a. I taught you a and a. Okay, I didn't say a and I. Didn't I tell you saying I is also not a mistake? You people here, we Malayalis say I. But actually those people who speak Hindi, whose language is Hindi, they say a, aisa, anak. Same way what this letter is little different from how we say. In Malayalam we say ow. What do we say? Ow. What do we say? Ow. This is ow. This is o. In Malayalam o, ow. But in Hindi, you say it as aw, A-U, aw. How do you say? Aw. We don't say audio visual. We say audio visual. Right? The same audio. See? We don't say audio. Do we say audio? Then we have to say this audio. It is not audio. It is audio. How do you say? Audio. And the same aw sound has to come for this letter. Aw. Say again. Aw. Okay. Now, what about the fruit? Orange. Aw. Orange. O says aw. You have studied in KG, right? O says aw. Orange. You don't say orange. Do you say orange? No, it is not orange. It is orange. Okay. Aw. So, how do we say this? Aw. Aurat. Aurat means woman. Aurat. Aurat, woman. Or means and. papa or mummy. We don't say papa aur mummy. We shouldn't say papa aur mummy. It is not aur, it is or. Okay, if you still have confusion, if you still feel that I am wrong, you can watch the Hindi news, Hindi channels. You will never find people saying aur. But there are people who say aur. I am telling, always remember, my dear children, language is for people to understand what we want to tell others, what others tell us. That is for, like, it is a mutual communication, mean. Okay, that is language. This is, but you people have to read it properly. You have to say it properly. We are learning something, a new foreign language. It is not a foreign language, a language from our own country, our national language. Try to say it correctly as much as possible. So keep practicing. How do we say this? Or. What or? Or. Which or? Audio. That or. Audio visual. AUDIO audio. That audio. Or. Aurat. Or. Okay. Aushad. We say aushad. Aushadham. No mistake at all. But be careful. We are learning Hindi. Say again. Or. Now let us say sra, dha, or. फिर से बोलो sra, dha, or. Can you guess any word having sra? You must have heard names with sra. You have heard the name Shreya? Yes, Shrey. Ashram? Yes, Ashram, Shreya. Then Shram. Shram means क्या है? Shram, hard work. Shramikya. Okay, hard work. Shra. ये क्या है? ढ. और ये क्या है? औ. फिर से बोलो श्र, ढ, औ. When you are getting confused, say the word, the English word audio. Audio എന്ന് നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാ പറയുന്നത്? Audio. Audio എന്ന് പറയരുത്. Audio. അതല്ല. Audio. കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. Audio. ഓക്കെ. ആ ഓ എന്നുള്ള ഉച്ചാരണമാണ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടേണ്ടത്. പറയാൻ പറ്റേണ്ടത് ഓ എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ. നിങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ തുടങ്ങി ഔ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കണോണ്ട് ചിലപ്പോൾ ഔ എന്നാണ് കിട്ടണത്. അത് സാരമില്ല, അത് തെറ്റല്ല. ഓക്കെ, ശരി തന്നെയാണ്. എന്നിരുന്നാലും ഹിന്ദി പറയുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ ഔ എന്ന് പറയാറില്ല. ഓക്കെ, അവരെന്താ പറയണത്? ഓ. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഓ. ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്? ബട്ട് ഇനി വേർഡ്സ് പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ വേറെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളും കൂടി പറഞ്ഞു തരാം കേട്ടോ. ഒന്നും കൂടി പറഞ്ഞേ. ശ്ര, ഢ, ഓ. ബോലോ ശ്ര, ഢ, ഓ. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഓക്കെ, ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ ടു യു? വൺസ് അഗൈൻ. ശ്ര, ഢ, ഓ. Say again. Sra. Say again. Sra. बोलो sra. Yes. Next. Dha. और ये क्या है? बोलो ये क्या है? O. What is it? O. औरत. Or. What is औरत? I wrote औरत on the board. What is औरत? Woman. Okay. Stree. Understand? Woman. Sra, dha, o. Now shall I teach you how to write in 5 lines? Yeah? Come on. Turn the page. Not turn the page. The same page. See how to write sra, dha and o. What we are going to learn? Sra, dha and o. Okay. Shall we start? Yeah. Get ready. I'm going to zoom and show you a little bit. Let us write Sra, Dha and O. What are we going to write? Sra, Dha and O. To write Sra, what we have to write first? First, let us see a standing line. What we have to write? Standing line. Keep your pencil here. Take it up. Turn and stop. Then a line from here. Then sleeping line. The sleeping line is not touching the circle. Understood? Again, पहले standing line, उसके बाद pencil ऐसे रखो, उसके बाद ऐसे stop करो, फिर यहाँ पर, फिर sleeping line. ये क्या लिखा मैंने? स्र. Once more देखो कैसे लिखना है? ये है standing line. देखा? उसके बाद क्या करना है? pencil यहाँ पे रखो, उसके बाद turn करो. See how did I turn? Like this and then come. उसके बाद ये है, ये एक और लाइन अब देखो स्लीपिंग लाइन, इसको कैसे बोलना है? स्र. So I'll show sr on the lines. Let us start sr. पहले क्या है? स्टैंडिंग लाइन. चलो ये है स्टैंडिंग लाइन. क्या है ये? स्टैंडिंग लाइन. उसके बाद क्या है? पेंसिल यहाँ पे रखो, इसे टर्न करो, स्टॉप. ओके. Now is it touching the fourth line? Is it touching the fourth line? No. See, it is not touching the fourth line. Now the next line is coming from here and it should touch the fourth line. What letter is this? Sra. Have I finished? No. Put the sleeping line. ये है sra. क्या है ये? sra. Once again देखो, पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन, पेंसिल ऐसे रखो, ऊपर ले जाओ, स्टॉप. ये हुआ sra. Once again standing line, keep your pencil, turn, stop. क्या लिखा मैंने? sra. क्या है ये? sra. It has sound of two letters coming together, sr and r. sra. Got it? Okay. sra. What is your next letter? I don't think so I need to explain it like this. Should I explain it like this? We can directly write in the 5 lines because you have already learned. But there could be new children who were not there in class 1 in our school. So I'll show you here. First I'll show you here. The next letter is dha. A small standing line. Make a C, turn and stop. This is dha. What is this? Dha. Once again, let us see the letter dha. What are we going to see? dha. Okay. चलो पहले छोटी लाइन, ये है ढ. क्या है ये? ढ. मैंने क्या किया? First what did I do? First a small line, then turn, stop, ढ. ये stop, ढ. How do we write here? Children, watch me carefully. ये है तुम्हारा ढ. बोलो ढ. Don't say ड. ढ. ढम ढम. Remember that ढ, not dum dum. It is ढम ढम. ढ. ढम. ढाबा. ढ. ढोलक. ढ. You have heard the song ढोल बाजे? हाँ. ढ. Same ढ. ढोल. ढ. Got it? Huh? Shall we go? Chalo. Next we will learn the letter. Tell me what it is. Come on, tell me properly. Yes, it is O. Audio visuals. O. Say again. O. Okay. So I am going to teach you O. How do we write O? पहले A. ये हुआ A. Now how will you read this? O. This is O. Now what is this? One more line. O. What is it? O. Say again. O. O has two slant lines on top. Again, पहले we will write O. O. Let us write O first. One more line. O. Clear? Now both the slant lines are touching the same point. Did you see? It has to touch the same point. Remember, please don't say ow. What you have to say? Aw. Again, aw. We say awesome. No? Awesome picture. Okay, wonderful, beautiful picture. Awesome. That same awesome. You don't say awesome. Okay, oh, or awesome. Do we say awesome? No, it is aw. Again, say O. Let us write O. चलो लिखते हैं. Let us begin in the second line. It's easy for you. You will say, Mama, I don't have to look at the video. Otherwise also I will write. Look, ये है. पहले O लिखो. This is O. We have to write O. 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 Again, ये है O. See, it is touching the standing line. Again, I hope the video is very, very clear to you. You understood? So what did we learn today? We have learned 3 new letters, that is shra, dha, o. Again, shra, dha, o. Fine. Practice it. Say several times to get the correct pronunciation of the letter o. Dha, I think you will get it because you watch a lot of, you make a lot of noise. In among that, dha is also there. Dham, dham, dham. Dhol, dholak, dhaba, dhakna, dha. Okay, sra, let us say some words with sra also. Sra, sram, asram, sre, sreya, sravan, sravan. Okay, we will learn all these in the next video. Till then, bye bye.